What up, everybody? Thank you for joining the Ask Patman TV. Hashtag Ask Patman, hashtag Patman. Today we gonna be doing fireworks with Patman. This how we doing it over here on our end, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, they burnt me with the little stick. We about to light up the first one. We got the family in the background. It's kind of dark, you can't really see. Oh, we about to light up our fireworks. We gonna let y'all see what all we have for this New Year's. Alright, here go Patman with the first one. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's how we do it! Oh! Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! That was Patman. Alright, here go the second one, y'all. Let's see what this one does. The first one was a little frog or something like that. Let's see what this one does. Hey, if I run too quick, y'all forgive me. Here we go. Let's see what this one does. Fireworks with a Patman. Patman, oh yeah. So everybody gonna get a chance, y'all, so stay tuned. This way, when you get your fireworks, you know what to expect from each thing. Oh, look, it's lighting me up, y'all. Oh, it's lighting me up, y'all. I'm in this thing. Hey, this how we giving it up in the X-Patman. In the X-Patman.